Hello students, good morning. My name is Ram and welcome back to new video with a new interesting topic in 100 days of machine learning from first year engineering computer engineering student. In today's video, we will discuss the steps to frame a machine learning problem. It means which steps is required to completing your machine learning project. Each and every machine learning project has its own several processes, and you must do follow when we try to solve any business level problem. Suppose, suppose first of all you identify the project or problem, then you learn about that, then you collect the data, then you select an any model, algorithm. It means algorithm, then evaluation of the matrices for this algorithm, or in simple meaning, you calculate the accuracy of this model. And then after that, calculating the accuracy, we deploy it using batch versus online machine learning as you own way. So yeah, this is an steps in these steps is included while we developing an any machine learning algorithm, machine learning problem solution. So let's discuss one by one with a simple example. So first of all, understand the problem. It's a very main concept in an every situation. Suppose in a situation when you when you are in the exam hall and you have a question paper. So first of all, it requires to understand your question. So you will be able to give the answer of this question. So first of all, understand the problem. First, what is the problem? What do you want to predict or automate? Uh, First one is what is the problem, and confirm that which operation or which your end goal is after that product after that project completion. So I suppose example, a company wants to predict a car price. Suppose company wants to predict car price, and end of the project you predict bicycle price. So it's not an end goal of our project. So first of all, understand the problem. It's a very important concept while developing the machine learning project. Now they define the input feature. Input feature is also called as independent feature. Input features, and see here third one is target variable. It's most important concepts in machine learning while you train your algorithm. So first of all, these are independent variables. You must require to specify input features and target variable when your dataset has a supervised machine learning. Supervised means we was discussed in the I think day 3 lecture. Supervised lecture means these are input features and also our dataset has an output feature. So our model learns from these input features and predict this result. So independent features and target variable are most important for training an any algorithm like linear regression, logistic regression, decision tree, and many more. So in example, car price prediction has an input features like brand, model, fuel type, yeah, many more columns like this, and different projects has an different input features and define the target variables. Example, car price, input car details. These are the input fields. And what is the output field? Yeah, the price. Predict a car price and our target column. See here, output is an price. So it must specify the both of them, target column and input feature. Now the fourth one is decide the type of ML problem. We was also discuss the types of machine learning problem. Suppose your data has a categorical output. So your model is most logistic regression, decision tree, KNN, and many more. But when your data output has a linear or continuous value, so you must use this linear regression, lasso regression, ridge regression. So used when output is a continuous numeric. See here. Example, house price prediction, salary prediction, car price prediction. So in this, as our output is a car price prediction, so we use regression problem. Then second one is classification. Now the classification used when output is categorical class. Categorical means Yes, no, yes, no type, 10 type. So this is a categorical data. So in this situation, we uses the classification algorithms like decision tree, KNN, and many more. Example: spam or not spam, decision prediction, pass or fail. And last one is clustering, used when data has no labels. Like, and suppose you have given multiple images and you have not provided any labels of that particular images. So in that cases we use clustering algorithms. Now the fifth one step is collect data. You know that machine learning model requires the data. Our machine learning model based on your data set. Your data set has a clear, or you have a more data set, more values in your data set, your machine learning performs better well. So collect data is an very very important phase while developing your machine learning project. So machine learning needs data sources. Which one is sources? CSV files. In today's video, in tomorrow's video, we will discuss about the working with CSV files, then databases, then APIs. We can also use here web scraping. We can also do web scraping or fetching the data from the another website for our machine learning model. Then Kaggle datasets. Then datasets available on Kaggle, we can easily download it and use it for your machine learning model. And then surveys. Surveys, it means collecting information, collect a real-time information from surveys. After collecting these data sets, we can easily train our model. Now choose evaluation matrix. Why evaluation matrix is needed? After that, your model is trained and predict the new values for the uh, test data. So it's must require to evaluate your matrix. Evaluation means find out the accuracy score. Find out the accuracy score of your model. Suppose you have developed a car price prediction model, and after that it gives the 0.9 accuracy. It means 90% accuracy. Yeah, that's good for our project. And suppose sometimes it gives the 0.5 accuracy. It means 50% accuracy. It's not well for deploying the model. It's not give the correct result as per your input feature. So that's why evaluation matrix is most important. How will we measure performance? Regression has an four analysis matrix: MAE, mean absolute error; MSE, mean squared error; RMSE, root mean squared error; and R2 square. And then classification problems are accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 square. We will discuss these matrices with an live program program structure in the future video. How we will use these accuracy matrices and how we will calculate or evaluate your model's performance. So seventh step is a select machine learning algorithm. In these steps, what's the types of machine learning algorithm? In these steps, we will cover regression algorithm and classification algorithm. You know that when you have a continuous value, then we use this algorithm. When you have an classification algorithm, then we use this algorithm. Now the train and test the model. Yeah, it's a very important concept in our model. Suppose your data contains 100 rows. In train and test. This data is divided into two parts. First one is a train part, and second one is test part. Suppose your data set contain 100 values and you define the test size is equal to 0.2. So your data is divided into 80 rows for training the data and 20 rows for testing the data. Your model learns from these 18 values, and after that model predict the values on the basis of these 20 rows provided you. Now the Accuracy score is checked on basis of these 20 rows predicted values. So here usually 80% of training and 20% of testing. Usually we use this ratio 80% of training and 20% of testing. So after that, completing our model online versus batch. What is meant by this? When you deploy your model, then it's required to specify it's a model requires the online versus batch machine learning type. You know that online machine learning which is continuously update real-time data sets, and batch machine learning which we deploy it on only once at the server, and when the data is updated, then you retrain your model. So yeah, that's completed the today's video. If you have any issue, then please drop the comment. And yeah, you like the video. If you have like and helpful the video, then please subscribe and like the video. And thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.